you're only required to pay sales tax if that business has an office or some other type of presence in that state. But the Supreme Court could change that.
South Dakota and several other states are pushing for retailers to collect sales taxes and return it to the states no matter where people buy from. Alexander Limon takes us to the debate in Washington.
South Dakota argues it's unfair online retailers don't have to collect the same sales taxes Main Street stores have to. Online retailers argue it's discrimination to force them to collect those taxes.
It would be like expecting a South Dakota person who goes into North Dakota, that North Dakota store, to remit all the sales taxes back to South Dakota.
In that example, that North Dakota business would be collecting North Dakota taxes, so we just want it to be fair.
In a previous case, Quill versus North Dakota, the Supreme Court ruled states can't force retailers to collect sales taxes if those retailers don't have a physical presence in their states. South Dakota wants the Supreme Court to overturn the Quill decision. Attorney General Marty Jackley says a lot has changed since the 1992 ruling.
The internet didn't exist as it does today when Quill was decided, so those justices would not have been able to consider what e-commerce has done, what technology has done.
Carl Szabo says overturning the Quill decision would have serious consequences for online and Main Street stores.
A small to mid-sized Main Street store decides to go online and overnight has to immediately figure out and comply with 12,000 different tax jurisdictions and subject themselves to 46 different state audits.
The White House weighed in on Wednesday.
The president has said many times before he's always looking to create a level playing field for all businesses.
Jackley says the Solicitor General plans to sit with South Dakota when it argues the case in the Supreme Court next month. In Washington, Alexandra Limon.
A bill like this one would have a $1 billion impact in Texas. In 2014, the Texas Comptroller's Office studied the issue after a bill was introduced in Congress to do the same thing. They found the state would get $800 million more in tax revenue. Local governments would get $200 million. And since 2014, when that estimate was calculated, sales tax revenue has risen 17%. That means the state could collect even more money if it becomes law now.